Okay, let's reread paragraphs 4 and 5 of the section on Alice Paul. In paragraph 4, I learned that Alice Paul helped organize a parade in Washington, D.C. The people who participated in this parade supported American women's right to vote. In the next paragraph, I learned that many of the people watching the parade were unhappy about it. These people shouted that women should stay home. Marchers were pushed and tripped. So, from these two pieces of text evidence, I can infer that these people did not want women to have the right to vote. I can infer this because in paragraph 4, it tells me that the parade was organized to support women's right to vote. Even though in paragraph 5 it doesn't directly say that people watching the parade didn't want women to have the right to vote, I can infer because of the behavior where it says they were unhappy about it and they shouted at women to stay home and they were pushing and tripping. So based on paragraphs 4 and 5, even though it doesn't come out and say it right away, based on what I've read, I can infer in paragraphs 4 and 5, I can infer that the people watching the parade were not supporters of women getting the right to vote. I can tell because they were shouting, pushing, and tripping people in the parade. So I inferred that the people who were watching were not supporters of the women and their right to vote. Even though it didn't directly say it, I can infer it based on what it says in paragraph 4 and how they were acting in paragraph 5.